Hey everyone, it's Julie here with Tip Ranks. Today, we're taking a look at 3 strong buy Bitcoin Treasury stocks. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today, we're taking a look at Bitcoin Treasury stocks. Bitcoin, of course, has been gaining lots of popularity over the years. In this past year alone, it has gained 84%, and in the last 3 months hit highs over $120,000. It's now currently sitting at about $116,000. And analysts are buzzing with optimism around the cryptocurrency, boosted by strong ETF inflow and institutional adoption. One analyst thinks that Bitcoin can hit 200,000 by the end of this year, and other famous bulls like Cathie Wood are projecting $1 million by 2030. So today, we're taking a look at Bitcoin Treasury stocks. Now, a Bitcoin Treasury company actively acquires and holds Bitcoin as a core component to their corporate treasury strategy. So today, we found 3 companies with notable Bitcoin holdings, a strong buy consensus from Wall Street, and price targets that would imply some pretty attractive upside potential. We're going to take a look at each of these companies, what it is that they do, and of course what those Wall Street analysts are predicting for the stock's future. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Now let's dive right into these 3 Bitcoin stocks. We're going to start things off with a well-known name in this sector, taking a look at Strategy. Trading under the ticker MSTR, they're currently priced at $393. The stock has gained 180% in this past year, but in the last 3 months has fallen, down about 7.5%. Formerly known as MicroStrategy, the company rebranded earlier this year to just Strategy. They were the first Bitcoin Treasury and have been buying up the crypto since 2020. They are a cloud-native, AI-powered enterprise analytics software company, but pivoted hard into crypto in 2020 and have aggressively acquired it through debt and equity financing. As of early August, they hold a massive 628,000 Bitcoin, making them one of the largest corporate holders out there. Just last week, Strategy acquired over $2.4 billion worth of Bitcoin, and that follows a record-breaking Q2 earnings report at the end of July. They achieved a Bitcoin yield of 25% year to date. They had a record earnings per share and $10 billion in net income, which was the highest in the company's history. And with over 628,000 Bitcoin, they now account for 3% of all Bitcoin to ever exist. Just a couple of days ago, we heard from a 5-star analyst at H.C. Wainwright who increased their price target on the stock. They noted the company's record-breaking performance and said that despite a temporary dip in share price attributed to external market factors, the stock presents an attractive entry point for investors due to its current valuation discount compared to historical levels. They said that their substantial Bitcoin holdings and ability to raise capital effectively set it apart from other Bitcoin Treasury companies. The Strategy stock comes in as a strong buy with 11 buy ratings and 1 sell. The average price target of $573 implies an upside of 45% from current prices. Looking at those ratings down below, no surprise on the low end we do have our sell rating with a downside of 55%, while high-end price targets get up around 78%. Second on our list today is Semler Scientific. They trade under the ticker SMLR, currently priced at $37 per share. They've gained 25% in this past year, and in the last 3 months are up slightly at 1%. Semler Scientific is a Bitcoin treasury, but that came later on. They started out in the medical sciences field. They are a developer and provider of innovative medical products and services. Their chief product is QuantaFlo, an FDA-cleared point-of-care product used in the early diagnosis of vascular disease. It's been found helpful in diagnosing asymptomatic patients. Then, in May of 2024, they ventured down a new path when they started purchasing Bitcoin. And since then, they've amassed over 5,000 Bitcoins in their holdings, worth approximately $586 million. This makes Semler the 15th largest Bitcoin treasury on the global scene and 4th largest in the US. They did come out with mixed results for their latest quarterly report at the start of this week, but also outlined an aggressive Bitcoin acquisition plan. While revenue of $8.2 million did miss expectations and was down year over year, The company also outlined their plan to target 10,000 Bitcoin by the end of this year, 42,000 by the end of 2026, and 105,000 by the end of 2027, all while continuing to expand their Cardiovanta health business. Recently weighing in on the stock was an analyst from Cantor Fitzgerald. They said that Semler is the second company in the US to pursue a Bitcoin Treasury strategy. However, unlike Strategy, whose core business is to raise capital and buy Bitcoin, Semler is using excess cash on its balance sheet to acquire Bitcoin. They view the stock's risk-reward as attractive and believe that they are one of the least expensive Bitcoin Treasury names. And with 3 current analyst ratings, the Semler stock does come in as a unanimous strong buy. The average price target is $85, implying an upside potential of 129% from current prices. Looking at those ratings down below, they do range from 64% upside to 171%. If you've made it all the way to our third stock today, then this is a reminder to make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Last on the list is another stock well known in the Bitcoin space, that is Riot Platforms. They trade under the ticker RIOT, currently priced at $11.59. Their stock has gained 40% in this past year, and in the last 3 months is up 38%. Riot Platforms is a bit different than our other 2 stocks today, as they're primarily known as a Bitcoin mining company. They own and operate North America's largest Bitcoin mining facility by developed capacity, focusing on building Bitcoin-driven infrastructure that converges money and energy. Their strategy involves mining Bitcoin directly and holding the majority of what they produce as a treasury reserve, rather than selling it immediately. They ended their last quarter with over 19,200 Bitcoin, putting them in the top 5 largest Bitcoin treasury companies. Their quarterly revenue also fell a bit short in their latest report, which came out at the end of July. Their Q2 revenue of $153 million did decline slightly from the prior year, as Bitcoin mining costs and the average global network hash rate increased from a year ago. But the company did announce a significant step in expanding their data center capabilities, said that they had $2.4 billion in liquidity between Bitcoin and cash reserves, and secured a $200 million Bitcoin collateralized financing facility with Coinbase. On top of that, they also outlined a 26% hash rate growth target. And with 12 current analyst ratings, the Riot stock is rated a strong buy with 11 buys and 1 hold. The average price target of $18.73 implies an upside potential of 61%. Looking at those price targets down below, they range from an upside of 29% all the way up to 115%. So that is a quick look at 3 Bitcoin Treasury stocks, all with a strong buy consensus from Wall Street. Let me know your thoughts on these companies in the comments down below and what other Bitcoin related stocks you guys love. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, so make sure you're always doing your own research and due diligence. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.